I was just talking for like 10 minutes. I even realized I wasn't recording. So anyway, I'm headed over to the dock to catch the ferry. Guess we're heading on a little boat to get to the big boat. Heading on the boat. By Swan Cruises.
Waiting on now tender anywhere like this and sit down.
The journey begins. On the boat, heading. Wait, no, we're not moving. The other boat is moving. I thought we were moving. Just got delusional real quick. So, the boat wasn't gonna take off unless I put on my life vest. Yes, this black man knows how to swim. I believe this, but we're ready to arrive. I was on this for 30 seconds. And I needed a life vest to ride 30 seconds. Oh, we got music. This is my cabin. Not that big. Well, my bed is big. I'll be chilling for one night. This whole trip, I've been climbing upstairs. I'm like close to over climbing chairs. I mean, climbing chairs, climbing stairs. And I actually don't know where we're going, but I need 2 days of just pure relaxation where I ain't doing any shit touristy, where I just act like a local, you know?
I want to ask you a question. Did you sleep
This
well
guy's always
last night?
telling us shit that we really don't care about.
Yes.
But we just listen to it.
And now I tell you some information about the cave. Do you know this cave is that it is found by one fisherman in 2000? No. That fisherman, he climbed up the mountain, this one, to look for the tree to make a herbal medicine for his wife. His wife was sick, and he looked for the tree to make herbal medicine. And do you know in Vietnam or China, we have a recipe to make herbal medicine. When we are sick, we use by ourselves. And when the fishermen found the cave, we still don't care about this cave. Yeah. After that 10 years, our government, they opened this route. You follow me. Now I follow you. Yeah.
I follow you.
Entering cave. This is all they had to offer. I want a refund. Cave was cool, but damn, I feel like I walked through the whole thing in like 2 minutes. But anyway, it's a good experience. Yeah. We're chilling kayaking.
Yeah, be careful. People are joking.
We kayaking, having a good time.
Why are they going back?
Yeah, fellas, I am out here doing it. About to go. I got this hat on wrong. There you go. We got it. About to go swimming with the sharks. Yeah, the sharks. Just kidding. Hey, pretty ladies. Hey, bonita. Bonita number 1, bonita number 2. And my man's from London.
Yes, bro. What are you saying?
My next man right here from London.
Yeah, I'll take it.
He'll take it.
No one wants to be from Birmingham, so.
No one wants to be from Birmingham? I guess. That's my piece from France right there. Hey, France.
Yeah.
It's all balanced. Ouch! Say hi! Hey! Yeah! Yo! Oh, you got help, huh? Wow, they're all the way down there. Vive la France! I have no more memory left to save videos, but I'm still going. So cute. Yeah. Rush this morning to get to this bus, so we hopped on one bus, transferred to the next bus. Crazy morning, but it's working out, and seats are pretty comfortable. But we're out now to a village or a town called Sapa, where I guess scenic, beautiful rice farms and landscape. Alright, peeps, catch you later. Looks like we arrived and there's some traffic, but we're about to get there soon. So this is just the scene outside the bus. Yeah, it's like a 7-hour, 8-hour bus ride. Getting the peace sign. Hey, hi, how you doing? New York. Yeah. By myself.
You by yourself?
Yeah. I came to find a wife. A wedding is going on right now. There's love in the air. You see that? See the love in the air? Thanks to and because I wouldn't have come out here. Not that they did much work persuading me, but but yeah, this is good to see. We gotta make it right.
Really need to
You need to do doo-doo?
Yes.
You need to doo-doo? You need to caca?
Yeah.
Yeah? This is Sapa, people, Vietnam. Being followed by vendors. We have arrived to our hotel, the Grand Blue. And I see they're very big on blue. Got down to where my room is. And ooh, look at that. Yeah. Oh, this is sick view over here. Oh shit. Yeah, we're in Sapa doing it right now, having a good time.
Ah, you just started filming something?
Yeah.
I thought you were doing a picture.
Oh, no.
No.
All right, let's see what's going on here. Fire rating is high, so no smoking. Oh, today you're not smoking. Yeah, no smoke today. No secondhand smoke for me today. All right, we're trekking to another waterfall. Looks like I'm gonna have to bless this forest with my urine soon. Hey, buddy. How you doing? This dude is wild. They call Africans monkeys. Alright, that's just a joke. Don't take that serious. They're trying to fish?
No, they lost something.
Oh, sucks. I'm going for it. What? That's elite right there. Let me go first and grab you. All right. All right, she made it. Oh, this wasn't bad. All right, this was better. Oh shit! Almost fell. Oh shit! All right. We made it to the other side. Yeah. We made it. We made it. Oh. Huh? Good? Yeah, it's nice.
All of those, so it's
Are you serious?
yeah. Be careful, it's slippery.
All right. So I almost lost my drone trying to fly over this bridge that I'm standing on. I took off and then I didn't have GPS. It was in optimum mode where you have to keep your eyes on the drone. I took off, I pulled back, and all of a sudden the shit started going down and I had to grab one of the arms of the drone before it fell down this before it fell down here and shit. Oh man, I would have been real upset that shit would have went down. Like really upset. Thank God it didn't. Alright. Just took a rain ride. We survived. Did a couple of miles on a scooter in the rain. Oh man, I'm not buying anything, man. I just want to eat, please. I just want to eat. Hey, I just want to eat. No eye contact, right? No eye contact. Okay.
No, I got it.
This don't even look safe.
It doesn't feel safe. It's bouncing.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm sure it's good, but damn. This is kind of scary right here. Oh, look at the nice windy road. Alright, at Heaven's Gate. On some platform that does not look safe. the name of this village again?
Cat.
Cat Village. And they have some nice green vegetation here. It wasn't a bad day, got caught in the rain, but looks like it's warming up. Overall, good day. Like a leather factory. Smells like a leather factory. Yes, this is the village. And this is above. She's stitching. Her baby in the back. Baby looking real comfortable. If you ever want to try buffalo, definitely do it here, but can't tell what part of the buffalo this is. Yeah. I don't have enough snakes, so I guess I'm gonna take some for home for some medicine.
Sông Hương còn trôi, vầng trăng xưa còn soi, sao không thấy anh về thăm anh ơi.
Câu hát lời ca ước nguyện xưa nay còn đâu, giờ anh núi rừng ngàn xa dài dầu, dù anh
Oh, that's how it is when you showtime. All the lights on your face.
Feel like you still have a choice. And if we all light up, we can scare away the dark. And wish our weekdays away, spend our weekends in bed. We drink ourselves stupid and work ourselves dead. And that's all just because that's what Mom and Dad said we should do. We should run through the forest, we should swim on the streams, we should laugh, we should cry, we should love, we should dream, we should stare at the stars and not just to scream. You should hear what I'm saying and know